Welcome! Welcome everybody to my first... What would I call this?
Video!
Video!
Ching, 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 ching.
Yes, my first proper video that's going to be filmed by me and edited by me. It's going to be good, I'm excited. Welcome. Today is very special because I'm joined by the man who inspired me to start making videos. If he wants to introduce himself.
Hello there, my name is Cooper, owner of the Cerulean Bites YouTube channel. Ben has invited me to watch this monumentous occasion.
Yes. It is a very big monument, and I'm very excited for you to be here, Compa. Remember, this is because of you. You did this.
Yeah, well, I saw great potential.
Thank you. Well, this is what we're talking about today. I show you a postage box.
You're gonna have to blur all that out.
Oh shit! I am. I'll put a big black box up, and I'll just simply here. This is a postage mailbox. I'll show from the back end, and this is inside here a very special delivery from Cashies. And we'll start cracking into it.
We just said that this was a big occasion, but you haven't even told what's happening.
Oh, right. I should probably explain that. So I bought a camcorder from Cashies online because I really wanted a camcorder, and there were no really good ones at the time. As soon as I bought it, though, some really good ones came on, but it happens. You know, I'm just sad now, but I'll survive.
Hey, you still got a really good deal, at least I think.
Surprisingly, I got you a pretty good one, which I'm happy with. But I mean, I'll take your word for it because I don't know what I'm talking about. All right. Behold. Chords. What the fuck? Why are there CDs in here? They've given me music.
That's good to have.
Is it actually? What does it do?
Well, like, it means that the original owner, like, took care of it to look after all this stuff and keep it all this time.
Your song supplied software, yeah, warranty.
You know, I always look at the cash converter store, but I've never bought anything off there.
This will be the first and most likely last time. Actually, not broke by more stuff. Behold. Instructions.
A manual.
A manual. A manual. Manual. Looking pretty good. And here, little thing. Piece of paper. Oh, dispatch sheet. Oh, can't show that, but this one has more information on it. Ah. An anonymous cue. Ooh. Oh, I love this. Listen. What?
Ooh.
Bad.
It says Olympus,
Olympus.
which is a different camera company, but wow.
Oh my god, actually feels really nice. What the fuck? This actually feels really nice. I wonder if there's power in it. Hang on. How do I turn this on? Oh my god. Set date and time? Yes. How do I?
Wow. Panasonic camcorder.
Look at that.
Wow, welcome to the dark side. Not a Sony.
Holy shit, it actually is kind of low quality. Well, that's alright. Maybe it's because it's like screen away. How do I get rid of this? How do I? Maybe I should read the instructions. How do I do this thing? Okay, that's how old this thing is. It says 2011. That's the default date or year.
Okay, so that's probably when it was launched, or like when it was released.
Okay, the second.
Hey, this would have been mega. This in 2011 you would have been balling.
And I had to. He was taking out the couch. Let me finish setting this up now. So going back. So this is just a video of me doing stuff. Talk like when did you first get your first camcorder?
I can't understand you, I'm sorry. Oh, when did I get my first camcorder? Alright. So I got my first camcorder, I believe it was last year. I wanted to fall into the nostalgia of watching like the old convention vlogs of the early 2010s, and I felt like a camcorder was what I needed. And I basically went on eBay, waited for a good deal, and I bought a CX405, which is a Sony camcorder, for $100. Yes, this was surprisingly. Well, I was actually amazed. I'm amazed now compared to the market back then, because back a year ago, camcorders you could easily get for around $120, but now they seem to have gotten more expensive, around 160, like your one if you're lucky. But you just gotta wait for a good deal and buy one. Have you even got an SD card? What?
I might have forgotten. Does this come with one?
Oh, that's a good question.
What's this little thing here? Little plug.
It should be. The SD card should be on the bottom.
Oh yeah. No. I'm gonna have to get an SD card.
Okay, well, womp womp. If you go on JB Hi-Fi, you can buy like a 64 gig one for $15, which is a pretty good deal. Oh, it's a micro SD card, but it's got an adapter for a regular. Oh. Wait, do you have your Canon camera? That has to have an SD card in it, right?
It does.
I am a genius.
This dad's camera. Okay. Now, there's a card in here. There is. Zoom. Oh, she's chugging. Oh.
What's up?
Okay. I've got it. This is kind of low quality though. I'll be honest with you. Is it low quality? I can't tell.
Oh, that's standard. Or are you on picture mode? Yeah, that's picture mode.
Video recording mode. Oh my god, that helps so much more.
You'd have to go into the settings and make sure you're at the highest quality setting. That's if you want the highest quality setting, but... Yep, alright. This is first footage.
Oh my god. Is it recording? I can't tell. I think it is.
Yeah, that's recording. You got the red dot.
Oh, what is up? This is my first ever recording on my new camcorder.
Whoa!
It's a big moment. Molotov, I smashed a bottle beneath my foot. There's no room. There's usually stuff covering the walls, but I'm cleaning the stuff up. Yeah, that's awesome though. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
This is first footage.
Oh my god. Is it recording? I can't tell. I think it is.
Yeah, that's recording. You got the red dot.
Ah, what is up? This is my first ever recording on my new camcorder. What? Whoa! It's a big moment. Molotov, I smashed a bottle beneath my foot. This is my room. Yeah, I cleaned it up. There's usually stuff covering the walls, but I've cleaned my stuff up. Yeah, that's awesome though. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.
Wow, this is the greatest moment I've ever witnessed live.
Live. Okay, now let me turn this off. How do I? That's right, it's down here.
Does it turn off when you shut the screen?
It does.
And then when you open it, does it turn back on?
Oh my god, it does.
Yes, that's nice, that's nice.
Oh, look at this, right? Watch this.
Oh, no more forgetting. I mean, you never had to forget because you never had a camcorder, but you won't forget to shut it and open it.
What the fuck? What's this?
Oh, okay. On the back of the camcorder, there's a slot that plugs into, or it like slots into. And that basically adds a shoe to the back so you can connect a light or a microphone.
Oh!
Yeah, so it's like an accessory shoe.
How do I get it off?
Oh, I don't know how you take it off. And on the inside there is a microphone port. So if you do want to upgrade the microphone, you could.
That's sick. And then I've just got, what the fuck? I've got all these cables. I've got spaghetti.
Spaghetti!
Spaghetti. What? Thank you, Compa, for being here to witness my first camcorder video.
Thank you for having me.
Hey, it's always a pleasure, my guy. Peace and love, man. I really like having you here, man. You started this, and now you're gonna see it through. You're gonna have to forever come and visit, or like just be a part of my fucking vlogs.
No, now I have competition now.
You have competition now. What is this? What that is?
What? Flip it? No, I have no idea what that is. Hey.
Well, there's two of them.
What?
Is another one gonna come out? No, that's it. Well, yeah, now you have competition. You gotta do it with me and these two little things. These are little characters. Yep. Well, thank you very much, compa. I'm gonna probably end the video here. I've got 15 minutes to go.
You're thanking me and not your fans?
Oh, and thank you to my fans. I don't even remember how many people watched the last video. Thank yous very much. Much appreciated. Please keep watching. I'm gonna have some more vlogs coming out soon. I kind of want to take this to like a music festival now. I would love to take this if I could get tickets to that Chromacopia. That would be sick. The Tyler Creator one that's happening in Brisbane. You take this, that'd be awesome.
You know what else is happening in Brisbane?
Supernova! And you guess what? You don't have to go to Supernova, because this boy right here is going tomorrow, and he's gonna vlog the experience. So you don't have to go to Supernova. You can wait a month and then watch his video that he's gonna.
It won't be a month. The Supernova vlog will come out sooner than that, I hope.
Oh really? Can you give us a definitive date?
You know what? Because you advertised my channel so graciously, it'll be up before the 13th of November.
The 30th of November. It's the 8th of November today. Okay. I'm gonna hold you to that. If you don't do it, I'm gonna break your kneecaps.
It'll be before, hopefully. Thank you very much. I feel so special.
Thank you for joining me, Compa, for this very special day. Thank you all who are watching this, who aren't watching this too. Thank you very much. I'll see you all in the next video.